Hello. In this video, we're going to see an algebra problem. Let us first read the problem. They've given a graph and it says the graph displays the total cost C in dollars of renting a boat for H hours. What does the C-intercept represent in the graph? So first, let's see what we have in the graph. Here, C is the cost, total cost of renting the boat, and that is represented as a y-axis. So the C is represented in the y-axis. H, which is the total number of hours, is represented in the x-axis. In general, we say y-intercept and x-intercept. What does it mean by y-intercept? When x equals 0, whatever the value of y, that we call as y-intercept. When y is 0, we call that as x-intercept. Okay. In this case, y is nothing but c. So that's why they're calling it as c-intercept. So what we need to find out is what is the value of c when h equals 0. If you look in the graph, when h equals 0, the c value is this one, which is 5. So when h equals 0, c equals 5. We don't need the value. We need to know what does that 5 mean. So it's a cost, $5. So what does that mean? Let's look at the answer choices. The initial cost. So it has to do something with the cost, right? So because that's what c equals 5. So we can easily eliminate B, the total number of boats rented, the total number of hours. Okay. So C-intercept should mean something related to cost or C. So that's why I eliminated B and C. Now let's look at these two remaining choices. The initial cost of renting the boat, and D is the increase in cost to rent the boat for each additional hour. So definitely it cannot be D because we are not talking about the increase in cost, how much is the per additional hour, because all we have is h equals 0. That's it. So the only option which makes sense is the initial cost of renting a boat. So even if you don't rent for any hours, you just go and say, I want a boat, then you need to pay $5. So that is what it means. So the correct choice is A, the initial cost of renting the boat. This is how we solve this problem. See you in the next video.